My name is Marie and I'm Service Advisor at Renault Paul. I've been in the trade for 7 years. I've been Service Advisor for 5. It's been a very interesting journey. Sometimes you get men that comes in and they say, yeah, there's something wrong with their car, and I said to them, it's the battery. No, it's not the battery. It's the battery. Go find the man. And the man comes out and he says, sir, it's the battery. Don't back down. Stand your ground. If you know you're right, you're right. You don't back down.
My name is Helmi. I am the F&I from Paul for Renault and Mitsubishi. In the motor trade, 16 years. Yes, I did. Luckily, I'm a very strong woman, so I overcome everything. So yeah. What advice? Stay strong, stay positive, and yes, and you can reach everything you want in life.
Hi, my name is Annie Muller, and I'm working at Suzuki in Stellenbosch. It's not always easy for a girl to work in motor trades because why men think they are the best and they know more about cars. But if you want to sell cars in the motor industry, then you have to have faith and you have to be strong and go for your goals that you want to do. I am beautiful if I know, although I'm not beautiful in the outside, but my inside is what the people want to meet Annie. And I'm beautiful because I love people. When people are angry, if I'm there, they always smile because I'm a smiler.
My name is Jonita. I'm an F&I at Suzuki Stellenbosch. My mom taught me from a very small, from very little. If anybody makes you angry, they control you. So she taught us to first think, first breathe, before you answer any question or before you get into any sort of argument. And I've had that all my life. It's working for me perfectly.
I'm Laan Joubert, and I'm fearless because God is always with me.
Hello everybody, so I'm Stefanie. I'm working for Renault and Suzuki all the way in Paul. I've been in the motor trade for 15 years, 15 good years and bad years. So I am motivated because I am a single mother in this difficult trade to my 8-year-old son. And he's my motivation.
I'm Nicole from Suzuki Stellenbosch, getting hot now, and I am determined because I've got a very expensive lifestyle. I was just joking about the previous one. I'm determined because I know I can make a difference in people's lives and my own life, and yeah.
I'm Nazal. I work at Suzuki Paul, almost at Stellenbosch, sorry. And I'm courageous because there's nothing in the world that can stop you if you believe in yourself.
It's me again. I just want to say thank you to everybody that came today, and thank you to Desh for coming all this way to motivate us. I know I was motivated because some of the stuff she said was really inspiring. So yeah, I just want to say thank you. It's been great.